Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can install NemoClaw on Ubuntu 22.04. So this is the Ubuntu 22.04 machine. This is Ubuntu 22.04 machine. Ubuntu Ubuntu 22.04 LTS machine, and here we will be installing the NemoClaw. The steps are: install the Docker, so you need to run the commands sudo apt update, then sudo apt install ca certificate and these commands, then add the official PGP, then set up the repository, and finally install the Docker. So I already have Docker installed on my machine, so I will show you Docker. So this is running the hello world image. So next step is to install the Ollama. This is the command to install Ollama. I will share all these commands to you. It is downloading and installing the Ollama. Now the Ollama is installed. Next step is to install NemoClaw. So these are the commands to install NemoClaw: git clone, cd NemoClaw, and then install.sh. Run it all once. It is cloning and now it is installing the NemoClaw. NemoClaw package.json found in current directory and installing from the source. So the installation is in progress. Installing the gateway, initializing environments, waiting for OpenShell namespace. Now it is asking for the namespace. Enter my assistant. Already exists. Yes, remove and getting sandbox my assistant. This takes a few minutes on first run. And this is the endpoint. Let's wait for the process to complete. Now it is asking for available presets, Discord, Docker, Hugging Face, Jira, NPM, Outlook, Pi, Slack, Telegram. Press yes. So this is done actually, and we can type NemoClaw. So it is giving all the commands. NemoClaw status. So we can run the command NemoClaw onboard. So we have successfully installed NemoClaw on Ubuntu 22.04. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.